Money myths are powerful. The biggest one? That high performers get rich because they know a secret hack. They're just lucky. Here's the truth I've seen. Wealth is mostly psychology, translated into tiny repeatable habits. Myth, meet habit. Let's go. Myth 1. Frugality creates wealth. Not quite. High performers don't worship deprivation. They worship leverage. Habit. I pay myself first. Automatic transfers on payday into investments and savings. Then I spend freely on what energizes me. I automate the boring. Bills, investments, emergency fund. Payoff. Less decision fatigue. More consistent compounding. Zero guilt buying lattes. Myth 2. You need perfect timing. Habit. I set default decisions. A simple, boring portfolio I contribute to regardless of headlines. Plus a tiny curiosity fund for asymmetric bets. Courses, tools, small business experiments. Payoff. I capture market growth while giving myself room to learn and earn upside from skills. Myth 3. Budget harder. Habit. I use a money calendar. Weekly 15-minute check-in. Track net worth, scan transactions, adjust automations, set one tiny action like renegotiating a bill. Monthly, I review spending by joy per dollar. Keep what lights me up, delete what doesn't. Payoff. Awareness without anxiety. Fewer leaks, more intention. Myth 4. Make more hours. Habit. I buy back my time. Anything below my hourly value gets automated, delegated, deleted. I protect deep work blocks. I sleep like it's my best investment. Payoff. Higher quality output. Better decisions, compounding energy. Myth 5. Be disciplined. Habit. I design my environment. Separate spend account, separate invest account. No shopping apps on my phone. A 24-hour rule for non-essentials. Clear friction to do the right thing. Add friction to do the wrong thing. Payoff. I don't rely on willpower. I rely on defaults. Myth 6. Say yes to every opportunity. Habit. I keep a one-line strategy. Earn from what I'm good at. Invest in what I understand. Spend on what increases my energy. Give in ways that expand my world. I say no to anything off strategy.